What's up, beauty crew? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be doing this super cute summer look. So first we'll go ahead and get started. We're going to use Cover Pink by Young Nails and make some French beds, just some nice French elegant long nail beds. After you have your nail bed to your liking, I'm going to take a hot pink by Fantasy Nails. I believe it's their like neon collection. I'll go ahead and link that down below. I wanted to do like a bright pink look for summer, and I just like love how the cherries are, and so I'm like really excited for this look. So we are going to repeat the process on all the rest of the nails, where we do the nail bed and then the tip color of your choice. Leave a comment down below on what tip color you would do. I just love hot pink. It brings out that like girly girl in me. Would you do like a neon yellow? Y'all, actually I think a neon yellow would look super hot, like with the holo we're gonna put on these. Yes, or you know what, even like a blue would be really cool. I just like love holo on blue. I don't know, what would you guys do? After we do the French tip with the hot pink, or French nail bed with the hot pink nail tip, we are going to encapsulate all of those with our clear acrylic, and then we're going to file, shape, and buff. And I'm sorry for my super ratchet nails. I know they're kind of like ew because I was in the middle of a fill, but I think I'm just gonna take this set off because I never do fills on myself because I always get bored of the design, and I just rather start off with a blank canvas. It's just so much easier, and I'm like, you know what, it's been 2.5 weeks, I can go with the new designs. So I can't wait to do my nails so I can show you that video, because I have some super like cool, I don't know what I'm gonna do actually. I mean, I have ideas, so let's just see which one I go with. So after you're done encapsulating all of your nails, we are going to take a no wipe top coat. I'm using the Beetles no wipe top coat. I'll leave that in the description below. And we're just gonna apply this to the tips and the tips only. Just get it as nice and clean as you can. It's okay if it's not perfect, because when you take your applicator of the chrome, you can kind of fit it in the nooks and crannies. After you apply your gel top coat to the tips and the tips only, we are going to go ahead and throw those in the lamp and cure those. After we are done curing those, you're going to take the applicator of your choice, whether it be like the silicone brush applicator like that one. I don't think it's a brush actually, it's just like a little gel silicone like wedge, I guess. Or you can take your cosmetic one, which I like better because it holds more product, like it disperses it better, I guess. So what I do is I more like do like a little like rough layer of like rubbing it in, and then I pat. Once all of our tips are covered with the holo pigment, we are going to take some red rhinestones. I am using Swarovski red rhinestones. I don't know if they have like a specific color, but I'll find that out for you guys, and I'll go ahead and link those down below. And the sizes are totally up to you if you want to do like big cherries or small cherries, or one big one small one. Up to you. So I'm just placing the cherries where I want them with my Zule Bling adhesive, and just right there and right there. Add as many or as little as you want. After your cherries are dry, we are going to take that Young Nails green gel pot giant and just make some cherry stems. So I noticed the cherry stems are kind of like a V, but have like a little like stem like kind of curved out. But it's totally up to you, however you envision your cherries. It's no right or wrong way. As you can see, this one was a little harder to get in like the little nooks and crannies. So if you're doing this on a client and not just a practice hand, just like make sure where you're placing them so you're not making the client uncomfortable. So after you have added your cherry bling, we are just going to add some bling on the rest of the nails. I think even just the cute little double bling is enough. It just adds a little something something, you know? And you want to make sure you're working fast, because the glue dries pretty quickly, and once it dries, it's pretty hard to get anything off of there. So you also want to make sure that your rhinestones are straight, or you're gonna have a little trouble like I did trying to maneuver them. So just make sure that you work quickly, you're paying attention, they're not sliding all over the place. So now we apply our top coat. So I am just applying the Beetles No Wipe Gel Top Coat to the entire nail. You want to make sure you're not really getting too much on the rhinestones themselves. It's okay if you do. I know like it just dulls the shine a little bit more, but I just make sure I get right like on the sides and in the corners of the stone, so the gel kind of helps them stay in place also. But there you have it, you guys. This is the Holo cherry design with a little bit of bling bling. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Leave a like, and I love you, beauty crew. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Bye.